In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for your YouTube channel. As a beginner, you don't need any experience, it's free, and you can do this within 2 minutes. So all I need to do is go to a website called Canva. Now once you're on Canva, you want to click on Create a Design at the top right corner, and then click on Custom Dimensions. Now I always like to use 1440 by 1440, which is a good square size that you can use for your logo. Now once you click on Create, they're going to come up with this untitled design project, which is just pretty much a white square. Now what you want to do next is click on templates at the top left corner, and then right there you can search for a logo. Now right there you can then click on logo, and what's going to happen is they're basically going to show you all of these templates. Now these are hundreds if not thousands of templates that you can use. So right there they will show you categories such as gaming. If you then click on see all, you can check them out. Now all of these are pretty professional looking logos in my opinion, very clean design. Now you can also go back, let me just search for logo again. Oops, let me click templates and then logo maybe. Yes, there you go. Logo, and then you can scroll down and you can find all of these different categories, but you can also just scroll down and find just like normal logos, which start from here, all results. You can then keep scrolling down and you can pretty much browse through these until you find a logo that you like. And once you find one, you can click on it and you can start customizing it. So let's say that I like this logo. I can then start customizing the colors. You can pretty much do that by clicking on it and then start using these drag and drop sections just like that. So right now I added some gradient color, which is cool. Now you can also click right there, and you can just customize all of this. So this one looked pretty cool in my opinion. Now next up, you can change this vector. So let's say that you don't want this like dragon or whatever animal it is, and you can move that or just get rid of it. And let's say that you only want to use this shape and add your own vector or element. You can click on elements right there and then search for icons and shapes. Let's say that you have a channel about food. You then type in food right there, and this could be anything, to be honest, could be sports, literally anything, and you'll get all of these vectors, right? Now let's say that you like let's find one that's free. So the ones with the vectors, with the crown vector, those are paid. So for that you need Canva Pro, but honestly you don't need that. You can just find the free ones, which in my opinion are most of the times pretty cool. You click on it and you can then pretty much use that. You can drag this around, and for example this could then be something that you can use, right? Now you can also change the colors in this shape. So maybe like that. You can then right there type in the channel name. For example, it could be HDD food or whatsoever. And that's pretty much how you can create a YouTube logo within just a few minutes that actually look pretty professional and good as well. So I know this one right here is not the best example because I literally spent 2 seconds doing this. I didn't pay any attention. It's just random. But if you play around with different templates, different background colors, different fonts, different, let's see what else is there, different shapes and all of that, and make sure that it fits your channel, then you can honestly come up with a very good logo for your YouTube channel. Now that's how I would create a YouTube logo for free in 2020. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. And by the way, if you want to download this, all you need to do is click on download at the top right corner and then select the file type, hit download right there. It's going to prepare your design, and then there you go. This would now be my logo. Now, like I said, this looks pretty professional in my opinion. It's free to use, so don't worry about that. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.